Welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Noble Transformation Hub, world's number one AI channel, so YouTube channel. So we'll go through this section, which is future of AI. In future of AI, super intelligence. What is super intelligence, and what are the examples? So we'll go through it. Uh, Rank Brain by Google and Google Search, Siri by Apple, Alexa by Amazon. All these are examples of super intelligence. Okay. uh, Cortana by Microsoft, IBM Watson by IBM, and image and facial recognition softwares. These are super intelligence. These are the examples of super intelligence technologies, which is the future. Which is right now it is in the process, but this is the future of AI. And other virtual assistants are the examples of super intelligence. And technological singularity is a future of AI. Transhumanism, like human, there will be robots will be better than human beings. That's called transhumanism. There are certain fiction movies and series on this humanism and impact. So we'll go into the next section where we'll learn more about AI and other modules. So kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not, and write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to implement, and if you need any help regarding AI. So write in the comment section, or you can contact us. Thank you so much. See you in the next section.